Transfer learning is a machine learning method where a model developed for a task is reused as the starting point for a model on a second task. In short, transfer learning is a machine learning technique where a model trained on one task is repurposed on a second related task. It is an optimization that allows rapid progress or improved performance when modeling the second task. In transfer learning, we first train a base network on a base dataset and task, and then we repurpose the learned features, or transfer them, to a second target network to be trained on a target dataset and task. This process will tend to work if the features are general, meaning suitable to both base and target tasks, instead of specific to the base task, which is widely used in computer vision and natural language processing applications, since you can take a model that has been trained on a large dataset for weeks, and then use it as the starting point to your own, similar, but specialized model by retraining some layers with your dataset. I will now let my friend Normalized Nerd introduce you this concept through an example.
Hello people from the future. To demonstrate transfer learning in NLP, I'm gonna take the example of sentiment classification problem. Our task is to predict the sentiment corresponding to a given text. The sentiment can be neutral, positive, or negative. We can use the concept of word vectors to solve this problem, but we don't want to train the word vectors by ourselves. Instead, we are gonna use a pre-trained model. Thus, we will implement transfer learning. We can use the Google's famous word-to-vec model. From this word-to-vec model, we will get the vector representation of nearly every word in our dataset. From these vector representations, we can build our embedding matrix. After the embedding matrix, we will place several recurrent neural network units, and at the end we will place a softmax layer including 3 nodes, as we have 3 classes. So when we will pass one sentence to the model, first it will get decoded into its word vectors, then it will go through the RNN. After that, it will pass through the softmax layer, and thus we will get our predicted class. To know more about NLP and the implementation of word-to-vec model, please watch the NLP series on Normalized Nerd.
Subscribe to Neutralized Nerd and myself to learn more about artificial intelligence. Share this video to your friends and family. Spread knowledge, not germs.